voter turnout. Let's just take you through some of the key candidates who are fighting the poll fray today. You've got Anbuvani Ramdas, PMK leader. He is contesting from Dharmapuri, which interestingly is a bellwether seat. Whoever wins in Dharmapuri has ended up in power in every election since 1998. So that's a bit of election trivia to look out for in Dharmapuri in Tamil Nadu. He's up against Senthil Kumar of the DMK, and there's a BSP candidate Sivanandam there as well. This is in Dharmapuri. Apart from that, the other big contest that we're seeing, Dayanidhi Maran. Dayanidhi Maran is contesting. He's in Chennai Central in Tamil Nadu. He's been former telecom minister embroiled in the 2G scam. He's up against Sam Paul of the PMK, who's contesting his first election. I want to also go across to Shalini Lobo. She's joining us from Chennai as well. We went just a moment before now to Shivaganga, where Karthi Chidambaram is fighting. We saw Chidambaram go out and cast his vote. He's up against H. Raja, the National Secretary, outspoken, controversial BJP leader. And we've got Mr. Pandi, who's an independent candidate contesting from Shivaganga as well. And then there is the big seat of Kanimodi in Tuticorin, where we saw raids by